Starting around 24 walk 2024 Jasmy coin truly is exchanging at $0.08 in term of its host rate with a value change of 0.1% in truly most recent 60 minutes, which generally is genuinely critical. Jasmy for the most part has an all-out market cap of $127,652.9 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $102,236,110 or so there in every way that really matters thought. This makes Jasmy coin Jasmy in every practical sense, positioning at 96 in the digital money market in an especially huge manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Jasmy coin especially be fundamentally worth in 2024, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking? Is Jasmy coin a sort of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024, or so they explicitly thought? Will Jasmy cost basically outperform its unequaled essentially high in a significant manner? These in a real sense are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in an extremely enormous manner. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation. 2024 as per the Jasmy coin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Jasmy cost for the most part is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a very normal value level of $$. The normal especially least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to be $0279, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides Jasmy can especially arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0331, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin Jasmy value gauge walk 2024. The Jasmy coin Jasmy cost for walk 2024 may for the most part arrive at a sort of least worth of $1, while the essentially greatest estimated cost really is around $0226, showing that Jasmy coin Jasmy value figure walk 2024. The Jasmy coin Jasmy cost for walk 2024 may explicitly arrive at a by and large least worth of $01, while the greatest gauge cost generally is around $0226, which especially is very huge. The extremely normal cost for Jasmy is explicitly anticipated to, for the most part, reach $duals in walk 2024, or so they really thought. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation April 2024. The cost for Jasmy coin in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $816 and $237, which explicitly is genuinely huge. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to be around $227 in a quite large manner. Jasmy coin value conjecture May 2024. In May 2024, the fundamentally greatest cost for Jasmy coin could essentially stretch around $249, which for the most part is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in May 2024 really is $223 with a sort of typical cost of $233, which sort of is very huge. Jasmy coin value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Jasmy coin could especially stretch around $226, which generally is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in June 2024 essentially is $234 with a kind of typical cost of $243, which sort of is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin Jasmy value conjecture July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin for the most part is truly anticipated to for the most part arrive at a kind of typical cost of $253, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $270 and a really least of $242, which by and large is very huge. Jasmy coin value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the essentially most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could in a real sense stretch around $3. So this sort of makes Jasmy coin Jasmy by and large positioning at 96 in the cryptographic money market in a genuinely significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in August 2024 essentially is $0.85 with an extremely normal cost of $26 in a quite enormous manner. Jasmy coin value expectation September 2024. Jasmy coin cost generally is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $0.257 to $296 in September 2024, while the truly normal cost of Jasmy for the September for the most part remains around $0.265. Jasmy coin value gauge October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin in a real sense is supposed to, all things considered, be at around a genuinely least of $263, which certainly is very huge. Jasmy coin cost can in every practical sense arrive at a limit of $6 with the typical cost of $2273 in USD. Jasmy coin a wise venture or in every way that really matters worth purchasing in 2024, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking is as well. Jasmy coin value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, the sort of most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could, in every practical sense, stretch around dollars and it'll, which sort of is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Jasmy in November 2024 fundamentally is $276 with a very normal cost of $284, showing how Jasmy coin value expectation September 2024. Jasmy coin cost fundamentally is supposed to essentially reach between $0.0257 to $2.96 in September 2024, while the especially normal cost of Jasmy for the September in a real sense stays around $0.0265 Jasmy coin value conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin basically is supposed to generally be at around a sort of least of $2.63, which explicitly is very critical. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation December 2024. The cost for Jasmy coin in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.0279 and $0.0331. So starting around 24 walk 2024 Jasmy coin is exchanging at $8 in term of its worst rate with the value change of 0.1% in sort of most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally huge manner. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $1, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin in every practical sense passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been most certainly diminished by 47% in its exceptionally current worth in an extremely significant manner. On the off chance that we truly think about the essentially current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap especially is additionally down, exhibiting that starting around 24 walk 2024 Jasmy coin in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.08 in term of its iced rate with the value change of 0.1% in all things considered, most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is very huge. From most recent 7 days, the Jasmy was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 17.3%. So assuming we basically analyze the exceptionally current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap generally is likewise down, showing that starting around 24 walk 2024 Jasmy coin in a real sense is exchanging at $0.08 in term of its iced rate with the value change of 0.1% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin in a real sense has shown areas of strength for truly of potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to in a real sense dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how moreover the minimum cost of Jasmy in June 2024 essentially is $0.0234 with a fundamentally normal cost of $2.43 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value conjecture 2024 facts. What will truly be Jasmy coin most certainly worth in 2024, which sort of is very huge. The Jasmy